nikiota hii ndoto
continuous, not once, not twice, not 3 times.
Flag yetu ya Kenya inakuliwa na panya hadi imebaki kadogo sana.
Imeliwa mpaka imebaki kasehemu kadogo hivi.
Hivyo.
Hii sehemu hivi. Huku kumebaki nusu, huku kumeliwa.
Exactly.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the analysis of YOLENO TV. I hope you're well from wherever you're watching this channel. Now, for almost the 10th time, Pastor Ezekiel has continued to deliver a disturbing message to this regime.
Wale wa kusaidia viongozi na ukweli hawako. Wanafiki ni wengi. Na wanafiki wakiwa wengi wakiongea unafiki unaweza kuonekana ni ukweli.
But this time round, Pastor Ezekiel's deliverance of a message came through a dream that one of the congregants there brought during the church session. And this is pretty terrible, and the interpretation of that video or that dream has gotten so many people shocked. And I realized that there was some mumbling in State House the moment this video was shared, because the video has been shared on TikTok a lot, and I believe you have seen it. So I want us to go straight into this video. But first, the video talks about a lady who said, "I saw mice eating Kenyan flag in my dreams. They were about to deplete it." That is what the lady said. So the lady in Pastor Ezekiel's church told him that she had the vision in her dreams for 3 consecutive times, saying that he has been seeing something in all these visions, which are coming to her in form of dreams. The lady said that she saw mice in her dreams eating Kenyan flag, and they were about to deplete it. She said that it remained a very small part of it, and after this, all mice ran and entered the ocean. The lady went further to ask Pastor Ezekiel to interpret her dreams, and Pastor Ezekiel, it's alleged that saw a danger, a great danger that is ahead of Kenya. So I want us to go through this video and the response that Pastor Ezekiel gave in responding to this video. I'm not a very good person when it comes to biblical references, but in this analysis, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to go deeper into what Pastor Ezekiel said. But before you do that, I'd like to kindly encourage you to please subscribe to this channel. That is the only support I need from you. If you subscribe to this channel, you give this channel an opportunity to grow. Like this video. And once again, I'd like to thank those people who have subscribed to this channel and also be sharing our videos and liking our videos. So let's get on to this analysis.
Continuous, not once, not twice, not 3 times.
Flag yetu ya Kenya inakuliwa na panya hadi imebaki kadogo sana.
Naweza nikakuchorea sehemu ambayo imebaki. Imeliwa mpaka imebaki kasehemu kadogo hivi.
Hivyo.
Hii sehemu hivi. Huko kumebaki nusu, huko kumeliwa.
Exactly hivyo. Alafu ingine tena, like watu wameshika flag ya Kenya, but wote wanaenda like Indian Ocean, wote wanaingia wakienda ndani. Tena
wanazama.
Wameibeba lakini wote wanaenda wakiingia ndani.
Nifanye nini? Nipeane utafsiri wa hii ndoto ama nipeane ujumbe kuhusu kile ambacho unajua nyinyi hamwezi kuniwekea mtego. Okay. Nilienda shule na nilienda shule ya kiroho. Nitatumia elimu na elimu ya kiroho. Njuguna Ndung'u aliwaambia nini? Hakuna pesa hata ya kulipa wafanyikazi wa serikali. controller of budget aliwaambia nini? Amujalipa hata pesa ya pension. Wabunge wenu waliwaambia nini? Kwamba serikali inatafuta pesa kwa ajili ya kukwamua hali iliyoko mbaya. Naibu wa rais alisema nini? Tulikuwa high dependency unit HDU, tukaingia ICU, sasa tuko ward. Vile ulisikia wakiwa wanasema, it is time we pray. Okay? This is not about anything. Prayer now. And when I tell you it is about prayer, I'm very serious. Unajua wale wa kusaidia viongozi na ukweli hawako. Wanafiki ni wengi. Na wanafiki wakiwa wengi wakiongea unafiki, unafiki unaweza kuonekana ni ukweli. Hiyo ndoto ulioota kuhusu panya imekula flag mpaka ikafikia hapo. Ni kweli rais wetu amejaribu na anajaribu mpaka ifikie hapo, lakini siku nzuri. It is now 1 year and some few months. Sindio? One year and some few months. It is not months, it is 1 year and some few months. So, hiyo inahitaji Mungu kuhusika. The dream, unajua kazi ya panya, na ikitafuna, imetafuna. Then, the flag ambayo inazama katika Indian Ocean, because it is not once, it is not twice, it means it is happening. Haiwezi toroka na huwezi enda unless upate Joseph, na Joseph akae na viongozi na awaambie do this and this and this and it will be okay.
So I think while concluding that interpretation, Pastor Ezekiel made a specific reference to Joseph, you know. And maybe if I may take you back, I'm not a biblical I'm not a person who's very much conversant on Bible's issues, but this dream by the lady and how Pastor Ezekiel has interpreted it and gave an example of what Joseph did when he interpreted Pharaoh's dreams. Joseph managed to interpret the dream for Pharaoh, who was like the president back then. So that's why Pastor Ezekiel is telling William Ruto, that this message he delivered it to William Ruto, that you need someone to interpret the current economic trends for you, and you need to follow that interpretation and you need to follow the advice. You cannot depend on the intercessors. Unajua State House imekuwa na so many intercessors. People are very rich, you know, to be honest, very, very rich, and magari wanatumia, the millions which are being splashed on them ni nyingi. So that's why Pastor Ezekiel is telling William Ruto to make good the opportunity that has been presented to him and make an informed decision from true and honest advisors, not angry tigers. So the only problem with what Ezekiel sees in William Ruto's administration ni kwamba maybe amejisurround na watu ambao wanataka kuji-enrich. That's why you find that now people like Chirchir wanaonekana ni kama wanamdanganya rais. People like Njuguna Ndungu wanaonekana ni kama wanamdanganya rais. People like David Ndii wanaonekana ni kama wanamdanganya rais. And that's why William Ruto is becoming unpopular by the day. So Ezekiel's warning, which is it's just like a continuation of a prophecy he did last year when he said about rebellion. And Ojoele prophecy wa last year put him in a very, very disturbing position. Also, you find that in interpreting this dream, he was cagey about the details he gives William Samoei Ruto, and telling William Samoei Ruto, you can choose whoever you want to interpret this to you at the State House. He can opt for State House intercessors au watu ambao wanaendaga kule, the likes of Gitonga, Gitonga of the Full Gospel. Wanaweza kumuinterpretia dream yake ama wamwelezee venye hali iko, venye hali inaenda vilivyo. But what Ezekiel has said here ni kwamba all is not well for the country, and that he made a specific reference to Gachagwa's remark from HDU, ICU to now ward. And hapo kwa ward ndio ni kama you can be in ICU, ukatoka ICU ukaja kwa ward. Hapo kwa ward ikakushinda kutoka kwa ward ukaregea back to ICU na ndo uka collapse. It's possible, I've seen that, So that is what happens. Na ni hali ya maisha. So that's why he's saying that the fact that Gachagua said the economy ilitoka from HDU ikienda ICU sasa iko kwa ward does not mean that things will be better.
Ukikuta mgonjwa hali mahututi katika ICU hawezi pona siku hiyo na aende nyumbani. Lazima ataenda na utaratibu. Atibiwe, apewe madawa, atolewe kwa mashini kwa ICU, aende HDU, akae mwezi 3. Atibiwe, atoke HDU, aende kwa ward. Akae kwa ward miezi kadhaa, atibiwe, aende nyumbani, akunywe.
Hapo kwa ward, the complications can develop, and then this patient ambao ni economy akaregeshwa back to HDU na akacollapse hapo kabisa. So it's possible. That is the message that Ezekiel was attempting to communicate to William Samoei Ruto, though in a very calculated manner. He didn't want to be seen as if yeye anaingilia serikali in this interpretation. That's what I make, ladies and gentlemen. That's why he has made a specific reference to the issue of Joseph who interpreted Pharaoh's dream. And so telling William Ruto to look for a Joseph to interpret things for you and stick to the interpretations. That is what is happening in this government. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to rest my case there, but just take a moment and react to what Pastor Ezekiel's remark were as far as that dream which was brought to the church for interpretation. Just go below the comment section and tell us what to think about the interpretation. Now, once again, I'd like to urge you to stay safe and stay blessed for the